Hello, here we are again. This is the second course about ancient civilizations. Today we will revise vocabulary, grammar and pronunciation. Hello, Mrs. Ben Khalil.
Hello, Mr. Dahmas. Hello, everybody.
What activity have you prepared to revise vocabulary today?
Today we have prepared matching words with their synonyms. Okay, let's start. Read the following sentences and focus on the underlined words. The Sumerians had no money, so they used to barter their agricultural products. Second sentence, Islamic civilization made great achievements in medicine, architecture, and astronomy. Focus on the underlined words because these are the words you are going to match with their synonyms. Barter, rule, achievements, two verbs that are in the infinitive. This can make the exercise easy to do. All right? Exchange is the synonym of barter, and govern is the synonym of rule. Both are verbs in the infinitive without to.
The second part of our lesson is grammar. What is in the program, Mrs. Ben Khalil?
You have just used the words had better when you talk to the pupils. In fact, this is our grammar lesson today. Okay, let's consider the sentences together. Consumers had better avoid buying counterfeits. Consumers should avoid buying counterfeits, and consumers ought to avoid buying counterfeits. As you notice, we can use had better or should or ought to in the same way. Let's read the second example. This time it's in the negative form. They had better not consider them as reliable goods. They shouldn't consider them as reliable goods. They ought not to consider them as reliable goods. Now, what do had better and had better not express?
Pay attention to the pronunciation of the final S in the coming words, in the following words. Exams, courses, parents. You have certainly noticed that the final S is pronounced differently. Mrs. Ben Khalil, is there any specific rule on how to pronounce the final S in English?
Yes, of course. And this is our lesson today. We will deal with how to pronounce the final S.